Hello everyone and welcome to Vilinko's channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the Windows Photos app not working on Windows 11. And now let's get started. If you are experiencing issues with the Photos app on your Windows 11 computer, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can take directly from the app's settings. Begin by searching for Photos in the Windows search bar. Once the Photos app appears in the search results, right-click on it and select App Settings. Within the App Settings, you will find options to manage the application. Look for the Terminate option. Clicking this will stop any running processes associated with the Photos app. Following that, you will see options to repair and reset the application. The repair function attempts to fix any corrupted files or settings without deleting your data. If repairing does not resolve the problem, you can proceed with the reset option, which will reinstall the Photos app to its default state, effectively resolving most common issues. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.